Hello. Now, what I have done is I have added a file demo.html and written few lines within it, line 1, line 2, line 3 from the USA user, and saved this demo.html file within our current directory where we are working right now. So let's check the dir command, and you can see that demo.html file exists now. Now, in order to add this file to the Git, what you need to do is you need to write git space add and add this particular file within a git. So this file will be added to a git but not updated to the git server yet. It is still added onto your local. After that, you need to commit these changes onto your local git. So in order to commit these changes onto your local git, first check the git status by using the command git status, which tells you what is the current status of your git. What it shows is it says new file demo.html changes to be committed. Means you have added a new file named demo.html, but these changes not yet committed, not yet saved to the local. You have just added the file but not saved to the git. So in order to do that, there is a command called as git commit, which commits the changes that you have done. Git commit followed by the message, because obviously when you do something, you need to mention what you are committing, what you are saving onto the git, so that the other users working on the same project should get an idea about what are the changes within this chunk of codes. So what we'll do is I'll add a preferable comment message added first file, say demo.html. So this is my commit message. As soon as you enter, it will show an error. Let's see what it is. So once you enter it, it shows an error and say that please tell me who you are, and suggested two commands for the configuration. Because we haven't used any installable you can say portal onto your Windows operating system which has your sign up information for your git. So from the console you need to mention your email address and the name of the user who is working on this repository. So how to deal with it is git config dash dash global space user dot email, and within double quotes you need to mention the email address of your git that you have registered with GitHub. So whether it be conf gmail.com, this is the email address I used for sign up. So let's config that. And second command is git config dash dash global, then user dot name, and the name I have set for it is programming tree. So let's, okay, sorry. So one dash is missing. Okay. So this is done. Configuration for Git is done. That these are my user information. So that is done. Now let's go back to the commit command. And now it has done the commit for the file that you have added, that is demo.html. It shows message one file changed and three insertions, because that demo.html has three lines of code within it, line 1, line 2 and line 3 as we have added. So this file is committed for the further pushing to the server. See, add would add the file to the current local git. Commit will save the changes to the git and it will wait for these changes to be pushed onto the server by using the command git push. And once you do this git push, then only your information changes from your system will push onto the git. If right now, if you go back to your GitHub and refresh your repository URL, you won't find any changes on it. And if you use git push after that and press enter, it is now pushing all the files that is currently demo.html onto the git. And once it is done, you can see it. So it is asking me for the credential, so let's provide it. Let's log in. Okay, so it has done the changes. Now let's go to the website and refresh it. Currently no files are available. Just press enter and you can see that the demo.html file added with the comment added first file demo.html. So this way you can add a new file and commit and push it onto the GitHub server using this command. Stay tuned for more upcoming commands. Thanks.